Hi, this is Farzana Ali. As a project director to School of Enablers, it gives me an immense joy to sharing the fact School of Enablers curriculum is holistic, futuristic and creative. At SOE, we do not only focus on academic excellence, but it is the center to create responsible and positive citizens. Possibilities unlimited. And Taleem-o-Tarbiyat is motto of the School of Enablers. As a custodian of students' dreams and aspirations, the School of Enablers is committed to providing a nurturing environment to get our children to grow, excel and flourish. Dear parents, dear family and dear friends, we are going to organize open house at School of Enablers, Johar Town on 12th March. I would request everyone to come visit and enjoy the fun activities with your children. This open house is organized to give you a curriculum insight, the way of teachings and to get and meet our very dedicated and professional team. Thank you very much. Looking forward to see all of you on 12th March at School of Enablers, Johar Town.